In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Activision account to YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to connect your Activision account to YouTube, it's actually a simple thing to do. So obviously the first thing you will need to do is head over to YouTube and log into the account you want to connect it to. Once you have logged in and everything like that, the first thing you will need to do is head over to the top right hand corner and click on your profile picture. Once you have done that, you will need to select the settings tab. Once you select settings, as you can see, you'll be on this page, and on the left hand sidebar there is an option for connected apps. If you click on the connected apps option, it will bring you over to here, and as you can see, the top option is your Activision. So if you want to connect this, you can click on the connect button. What that will do is it will bring this little pop-up here, read through this, and when you are happy you can click on connect. Once you click on connect, click on continue, and then you will get this little pop-up window here, and from here you will need to log in to your Activision account. Once you have entered in your Activision details, you can now click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, this will come up here and you have to check this box here. I have read and understand the official viewership reward rules. So what you can do is click on that, and then you will need to select authorize. Once you click on authorize, it should link it over to your account. So if I click on got it here, as you can see, my Activision account has now been connected to my YouTube. So that's how you can go ahead and connect Activision to YouTube.